How to create dual apps in Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to create dual apps in Android phone. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, head towards settings. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and type in dual or simply app cloner. So the option may vary depending upon your Android phone. So it is app cloner on this Realme Android device. So let's tap on it. Now you reach on this page where you see the recommended and other app. Suppose if you want to make the dual of Instagram, select Instagram. Now here you see the option to create app clone. Simply turn on the button to create app cloner and dual apps on Android phone. But remember that you should have more than 5% of free storage remaining. Currently, I don't have much storage, so that's why the toggle has not been turned on. If you have, it will easily create app clone and you will get dual apps in Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.